Jamaica has been entertaining the world for decades.
And Usain Bolt is moving away, and Jamaica retain their title, 36.85.
And our national icons in sports and entertainment are not just giving us bragging rights, but business opportunities. It's estimated that our music, festivals, sports, film and television, art and craft and other segments of our creative industry contribute approximately 5% to Jamaica's gross domestic product. That's 15 to 20 million US dollars in revenue each year. Small change when we think of what's possible. In the global reggae music industry alone, the recording sales is worth between 2 and 4 billion US dollars.
At the same time, the estimated value of the Jamaican music industry is approximately 130 million US dollars. So there is room for growth and for us to get a bigger slice of the pie.
And Jamaica is setting the stage to get a bigger slice of the pie in all the key sectors. The creative industry's business plan has proposed how the country could achieve this goal if it builds on existing models, improves coordination between production and distribution, and leverages value added. The government has also dedicated resources to growing the animation industry. Through training programs and competitions, more of our young people are acquiring the skills and experience to make their mark. And in 2016, Propeller, a film development initiative, was launched by JAMPRO to give more international exposure, training and support to local filmmakers. The Jamaica Film Commission is also exploring how barriers can be removed to help local filmmakers utilize the co-production treaty which exists between the UK and Jamaica. Further developments in Jamaica's creative industry include the review of the culture policy to ensure that it markets the all-inclusive Jamaican experience. Jamaica is also celebrating 2 special designations that have increased our global competitiveness: the designation of the Blue and John Crow Mountains as a World Heritage Site and Kingston as a creative city. Jamaica, the entertainment capital of the world, open for business, ready for expertise and investment in our cultural and creative industries.